When a dog has a chronic cough, the assumptions come quickly, but the answers aren't always clear. What happens when radiographs look normal, yet the cough continues? Join Dr. Abbigail Granger, Chief of Radiology at LSU, as she teaches a radiologist's approach to the coughing dog. Discover airway anatomy, cough triggers, and how to interpret pulmonary patterns, even when the thorax looks normal. Sponsored by Golden Hour, providing 24/7 telemedicine consultations in radiology, cardiology, and critical care for life-saving decisions. Earn 1 CE credit on January 14th at 8 p.m. ET. Register today for The Coughing Dog: Assumptions and the Role of Imaging with VetandTech.